This twin bunk bed anchors your child's room in timeless style. Crafted from solid pine wood. This twin bunk bed showcases slatted head and footboards, clean line guardrails, and a built-in ladder, utilizing every space within the bed structure. A fully assembled 4-drawer dresser and 2-shelf bookcase are built into the side to give you tons of storage opportunities. And when the children grow up and want their separate space, check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Twin Loft Bed. Includes 2 twin-size beds. Loft bed can be converted into 2 separate beds. The under the bed can be left alone. This twin-size loft bed with desk and storage drawers is a perfect addition to any child's bedroom, also children of different ages. The top bed accommodates one standard twin-size mattress maximum thickness of 6 inches, and the bottom bed fits one standard full-size mattress maximum thickness of 10 inches. Number 2. Multifunctional Bunk Bed. The space-saving loft system combines 2 sleep beds, a 4-drawer dresser, and 2-shelf bookshelf all in one furniture piece. Suitable for children of any age. Number 3. Solid wood twin bed frame. Crafted from solid pine wood. This twin bunk bed showcases slatted head and footboards, clean-lined 18.6 inches guardrails, and a built-in ladder. Number 4. Dimension upper bed. 79.9 inches by 42.1 inches, down bed. 79.5 inches by 42.1 inches. Weight limit 150 pounds. Weight limit 200 pounds. Rigorously tested to meet the highest industry safety standards to contribute to cleaner air for a healthy home. Number 5. What you will get: 1-year worry-free warranty. Includes bed bunk with guardrails, desk, open shelf, and 4 drawers. Comes in 3 packages. Assembly required. Instructions included. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.